Hi guys, this is DriftGB and today I'm going to teach you, I'm going to play as a game Bus Simulator Ultimate. So actually this game is sponsored by Zoox, and basically guys, maybe you have got the Brawl Stars free coins. If you didn't got, go to the comment section and write your username and write it done or request me as I need some Brawl Stars free coins for my birthday. And turn on the bell for my latest video so that it will be not difficult for you to find my channel. So the guys game is going to start. I don't know when it's gonna start. So they are saying me to play in a low quantity. In a low quality. So I have to play in low quality only. Wait a minute. It's very slow also. Oh, actually, they are like asking about the play games. So guys, if you cannot find my channel, you can just see here. It's my channel. This is my logo, and so I got 7.5k at the starting. So guys, as you see, I have a lot of money right now. I have 1.6 B, actually it's billion. So that's a lot of money. With that I can buy anything, whatever I want. So you guys see, once I use the money, means I use 1 gold, I got this much money. But let's see what happens. I spent it like one gold. It actually has earned 10 gold, and suddenly the price of the gold changed into 6 digits. So that is a very awesome feature in it. So one is like yeah, if you play you'll get in advance the money. One is like even if you have amount zero you can still buy anything whatever you want. And what is like the amount you have and the things which you want to buy is lesser than the lesser than your amount, then the amount will be increased. And one is like normal type. Oh yeah. When the game will be started. When the game will be started. When the game will start. I don't know whether the game is starting or because it's taking a lot of time also. The game has started now. I can hear some sounds, but I cannot actually see. So the game has started and it took a lot of time. This is the radio. Wow, that's a nice song. The game is actually working very slow. Let's see the inside part of it. Wow, that's so incredible. Wow. Woohoo! Who is this guy? And the system is very nice. Facility is also very awesome. So guys, what I will do is I have to do some changes over here. So what we'll do is actually this video is going to be very long, and in this what all changes I have to do is I have to buy the most expensive bus ever, and with that I have to change the settings like low quality, and the gearbox must be manual instead of auto, because auto it's like it's so boring, that's why. So we are back to the game now. They told me about to go in the gift, but I'm not gonna go, it's so boring. So what I'm gonna do, I'll go in garage. Actually in garage they're nice buses. Oh sorry, wait a minute, the screen is dirty right now because something happened right now. They are asking me about the Google Play again and again. I don't know why they are asking me. So now we are going into the bus category. What all is nice. So we have here my vehicles and gallery. So I'm going to go in the gallery and I'll buy some nice buses. So we have a nice buses over here, like Tempa. We have Tempa actually I was driving now. Then we have Mercedes Benz, but it's very old. Okay, so Tempa again, but diamond class this time. Then we have Tourmaline, I don't know, Safari HD. So we are gonna buy the most expensive one. So we'll go more further. These people don't have the most expensive. What the hell is this? Neopan is some kind of bus. Mercedes bus. Oh, which is the most expensive? They are not taking me to the most expensive one. So I'll go more faster right now and I'll check which all is the most expensive ones. Mercedes again. Okay, so Marco Polo is the most expensive one, which is 220 to 2 to 1.2k, and it has totally 6 wheels. I mean 8 wheels in total. So what you are gonna do, we are not gonna take this one, we are gonna take the Scania, because Marco Polo is so big that it's more difficult to even drive. So we have Scania, or Scania is more easier, but it has only 6 wheels, so that's even more easier, but more faster than this. But actually Mercedes is even more good because it has 4 wheels. So I'm gonna take Mercedes only. So now this truck has been like it is deal, and now it's going to come in my garage. So I'm going in my garage. Actually garage is back only somewhere. So it is in my vehicles. So there are three over here. One, oh yeah, actually I pressed two times, so that's why that was a problem. So I have to change a lot of things in this. So I'll guys show you what all do we have to do here. There is like we can download the skin from outside, or otherwise we have like this color. So guys, go in the comment section and tell which one should I buy. So I selected the skin. Now wheels. The most expensive bus ever. Oh yeah, I like this. Actually red I don't like. It's my most baddest color ever. Its significance is the devil or something. I don't know. Actually livery was good. Now I'll go and personalize. So in this, guys, like this parts will come here. So we have a design over here. Design we have, I don't know what the hell is it. Oh, so they are giving me the option like how can I write this all. Done. Now logo. Logo is actually not good. So next is the bus simulator ultimate. This thing, the LED one, guys. You see, there is more things to buy. There also, it's like this system. Now comes the multimedia. Multimedia is actually, I don't know what the hell is this. Multimedia is a, yeah, it is a thing you guys see. When I will zoom at that, you guys can see in each seat there is a LED screen. So I bought that also. So now the passengers can enjoy their tour. Then Wi-Fi also is on. So now they can immediately get the Wi-Fi whenever they want. And seats actually they are very old, so I'm gonna put the new ones, such as this ones. Now next comes maybe this much only. Oh yeah, accessories. So guys, accessories they have, oh wow, a phone, some glasses, a toothpaste, I don't know what the hell is this. Oh, so they have the countries over here, so I'll check which all we have. So the Indian one, India's, it is on the top. So I'll take this one. So like this guys we have to do. Now comes the Zooks. So I'm going to change my number plate. BH. Actually I'm from Bahrain, so that's why I'm keeping BA. No, not BB, it's BH. Boom. So guys, my bus has been full upgraded. Now I don't know what all is left now. So it's done. Now we'll go back. Actually, we have to go more back now, but they're taking me somewhere else. So actually guys, the video ends here, and I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, my YouTube video, and share it and comment below how's it, and turn on the bell for my latest notifications and latest videos. And if you guys didn't got the brawl free coins, you can just go to your comment section, and then you can go there and you can just find it. Go into the comment section, write your username and done. And if it does not happen, request me to my username. My username is always my YouTube channel, and go there and just write it's my birthday and this much Brawl Star coins. So I can guys give it to you. How much do you want? And one is like advance, when you, how you want, you can just when you want the money you get in advance. One is like even if you have amount zero you can still play, and one is like a fixed amount, and one is like even if you are buying something lesser than your amount, then the money. So now thanks for watching.